Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can make a welcome channel on Discord. So to begin with, we will need to invite the Me6 bot to our Discord server that we wanted to set up the welcome message for. So the official website for this bot is at mee6.xyz. At the main page of this website, tap at the Add to Discord button, then log into your Discord account in the browser if you haven't already. In here, authorize all the necessary permissions. Then select the server that you would like to invite this bot to, and for this bot to create a welcome message for. Once again, allow all the permissions that it requires, undergo or complete the CAPTCHA. So in here I'll have to choose the images that contain the ocean per se. After the bot was, as you can see, added to the server, reopen the Me6 website, enter the plugins section. So first of all, go into dashboard, all plugins, and enable the welcome and goodbye message. Enable this plugin, then choose what actions you would like for this plugin to perform. As for right now, I'll go with send a message when a user joins the server. Then select the welcome message channel for it. So I'll go with general and enter the desired message. So I'll slightly edit it. So let's say hello, glad to see you on server. Then decide whether you are interested in sending a welcoming card when a user joins the server. But in order to set this card up, you will also need to buy the premium version of this bot, so whatever. Then choose whether you want to send a private message to a new user, give some roles to a new user perhaps, or send a message when a user leaves the server perhaps as well. And well, here you pretty much have it. So now let's test it out. Do not forget to save the changes, of course. Now let's test this feature out. So I will quickly leave the server on my other Discord account. And see how well it works. Now I will invite my other account again. I'll accept the server invite, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.